In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find easy affiliate keywords using Semrush 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to surface low competition, high intent phrases you can target for quicker rankings and faster affiliate wins. Start on your Semrush homepage. Make sure you're in the right database for your audience, like the United States or the country you sell into. This ensures the metrics you see, search volume, trends, and difficulty, reflect the market you actually want to rank in. Next, click on SEO in the main navigation. This opens the toolset we'll use today, designed for research, auditing, and competitor insights. We're heading straight for keyword discovery. Now, open the Keyword Magic tool. This is Semrush's powerhouse for expanding a single idea into hundreds or even thousands of related terms. It's where you'll turn one seed topic into a content plan filled with opportunities. In the search bar, type your keywords. For affiliate marketing, start with a clear seed like a product category or niche, and consider adding buying intent modifiers directly in your query, such as best, review, verse, or for. For example, instead of just espresso machine, try best espresso machine for small kitchen. Longer, more specific phrases often carry clearer purchase intent and lower competition. Click search to generate ideas. You'll see a table with columns like volume, trend, and KD%. Volume shows estimated monthly searches, KD%, keyword difficulty, estimates how hard it is to rank organically. Scan the list for long-tail phrases that match buyer intent and make sense for your site. Relevance matters more than raw volume. Next, click the KD% column header. This sorts the list by difficulty, so the most attainable phrases float to the top or bottom depending on your sort. Lower KD% generally means fewer strong competitors on page 1, making it easier for newer or smaller sites to gain traction. Finally, click the Easy filter. Semrush groups keywords by difficulty tiers, and Easy typically includes the lowest competition range. With that filter on, you're looking at a refined, actionable set of ideas you can prioritize right away. As you review, focus on phrases that align with products you can actually promote, have clear commercial intent, and still carry enough search volume to be worthwhile. A quick sanity check. Think about whether you can create a genuinely useful page that satisfies the query better than what's currently ranking. That's the full workflow: homepage, SEO, keyword magic tool, enter your terms, run the search, sort by KD%, and switch on Easy. Repeat with a few related seeds to round out your list, and you'll have a pipeline of attainable affiliate keywords ready for content.